This video will guide you on how to use CherryProxy through MuLogin. First, open the CherryProxy client, click on the SOCKS 5 proxy option on the left, then filter the country, region, city, etc. of the IP you want to extract on the right. After filtering, click the search button. Once the proxy list refreshes, select an IP, right-click it, and forward it to an available port. Click on the port forward list at the bottom, find the forwarded IP, and click the copy button on the right. Next, open the MuLogin client, click the Add Browser button, and name this new window. Scroll down, find the Proxy Settings option, click it, and select SOCKS 5 from the drop-down menu. Paste the port information you just copied from CherryProxy below. Then click Check the Network. When the specific extraction information appears in green, it means it's available. Finally, click the Save button to complete the window setup. You can now click Open to launch the new window and proceed with your next tasks.